Welcome to the tutorial on navigating the approval queues and the assignee and controller dashboards. First steps. Begin by logging in with your admin credentials. On the sidebar, you will find the Approval Queue button. This section displays all approval requests submitted for your review. To approve or reject a request, simply click on the View Details button and choose the appropriate action. Additionally, you have the option to toggle the view from compact to table format for your convenience. Assignee Dashboard. Next, navigate to the Assignee Dashboard. Here, as an admin, you can assess the performance of any technician within the company. You can easily change the technician's name from the drop-down menu and select a specific time range for your analysis. Controller Dashboard. The Controller Dashboard provides a similar overview of performance metrics. Admins can access the same functionalities available in the Assignee Dashboard to evaluate controllers. Logging in as a standard user. When you log in as a standard user, you will see the approval requests directed to you in the Approval Queue section. Assignee Dashboard for standard users. In the Assignee Dashboard, standard users can view their own performance metrics. Unlike admins, who can view data for all users, standard users are limited to their individual performance insights. Controller Dashboard Access. For users designated as controllers, the Controller Dashboard will present their performance overview. If a standard user has served as a controller during a specified period, they will have access to data only up to that time frame. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this tutorial for more insights.